Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you how to create a list box. Okay, this is a very simple example. Then the another part I also create another video for list box as well as VLOOKUP. Okay, you watch both the videos, then you will be very clear. Okay, now it is a list box. Student. Okay, now what I am going to do is just one sec, I'll delete here. Okay, student. Okay, first for some reason I am typing Alan here. Okay, this is the student name, so I do some formulas here to calculate the student name. For example, how many characters in student's name? Okay, length of the name Alan, 5 characters. Length. Okay, what will happen again? I want to check with Robert. The character length is changing. Okay, fine. Again I want to check with another person in the list, so it is very tedious for me to type again and again. Instead I am going to create a list box here, so that I will keep just select the names which is available here. How to do that? Okay, click here, go to data, then data validation. Instead of you can see allow any value. Instead of allowing any value, go and select list, and it will ask you what is the source. You need to say the source. Source is nothing but the student names here in the A column. Okay, I leave out the header. Okay, click again. So you selected the source, you creating a list. Okay, now you can see a list box coming here. So instead of typing any value, you can just select the student name here. For example, I select John. You see the formula next is also changing the length of the name. Okay, Helen 5. Okay, this is the way you can select a student's name from a list box. So you are creating a list box basically for all the student names. Okay, it is very simple and easy, same time it is very powerful. It minimizes our typing. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Watch my next video also, which is list box and VLOOKUP combination. Bye.